Yeah, right.
I don't know if I like this anymore. Rumi sure is vicious. And what about Mira? So much anger in her eyes.
Enough!
Huh? You two need to calm down. Take these. Ready for some gold versus silver?
I guess.
Whoa! Where are we?
I have no idea.
Look, it's a challenge. A challenge I'll definitely win.
That's what you think. Okay.
What are you so scared of?
What's going on?
I don't know, but I'm digging it. Time for some magic.
Exciting!
I could use a little refreshment. Wow. Whoa.
No way. Now me! Well,
These look pretty good too. What a copycat. Watch out for that dragon! Look!
hold on. Where?
I'm just gonna take this little guy. Let the hair makeover begin. So pretty, right?
I think he got scared. Wait, not cool, Mira.
Gold, gold, and more gold. I'm gonna be rich. Huh? Nice to meet you too.
Thanks! Looks like real gold to me.
No way. How'd she get that?
Boom! New hair. Who dis? What, you jealous?
Ugh, whatever. I don't even care.
Hey, look! We did it!
My hair's never looked better.
I know, right?
Well, should we see what's next?
I don't know.
It's our faces.
Okay then.
Yep, I know just what to make. Makeup for days. Wow. So many options. How about… Ta-da! All done!
Okay, my turn. Huh? Oh, come on. Just work. Do it! I said, do magic, you stupid wand!
Wait! Calm down. Just be gentle, see?
Got it. There. Nice and gentle. I did it! Now I just have to put it on. Oh well.
I'll help.
Huh? Wait, where'd it all go?
I don't know. Weird, right?
I'll try it one more time. Come on, just fix it. Thank goodness. I thought I lost it all for a sec. I need a clean slate. All natural. But not for long. I need clean lines, people. This spoon will help. More glitter, perhaps? Good as gold, baby. And next, some warm, rosy cheeks to match.
What?
This helps me stay in the lines.
What on earth?
I almost forgot the lips. Ah, gorgeous. Do I look good or what?
I guess we both did all right.
Yes! Noodles? Wow.
Are you kidding me with this?
Hey, my shirt!
Huh? I'm sorry.
Well, it's okay, I guess. On to the next. Well, now what?
A new fit? I'll take care of that.
No way!
I just love shopping. Don't you? What's the vibe? Hello, Sparkle.
Wow, that looks great on you.
No, this is my rack.
There's plenty.
I don't share clothes.
I may as well do some shopping while you're gone.
Excuse me.
Whoa, looks like I've been caught. Never mind, got what I needed.
You are so annoying.
Annoyingly fabulous. You agree?
I'm not talking to you right now.
Whatever, this fits fire.
I'll just press it. Oh, come on.
Looks like it's our shoes this time.
Yep, I think you're right. Let the magic begin. I got something. Wow, oh my goodness. They're gorgeous, don't you think?
Just 1 second. Gotta grab my wand. Where did I leave that thing? Bingo! Found it! Phew! Hold it! What? The bird! Up there! What kind of bird?
Like I care. This is gonna be so good.
Look at these! All for me? How exciting! Not the vibe. Something better in here? Definitely not. Perhaps 3rd time's a charm? Pretty please? Oh yeah, now that's it. Simply perfect.
They're fine, I guess.
Nailed it. Oh! Play to press it?
Sure.
Rock, paper, scissors.
Gotcha. My turn.
Jewelry. Silver and diamonds? Wow, it just keeps coming. I can't wait to get my bling. A bunch of coins? Do over. Now, please. Where are my jewels?
It's here, silly.
What do you mean?
Come on, use your brain. And this cauldron.
I see. Just drop them off for a little swim. I think they're ready.
Feels good to sparkle, doesn't it?
I'd say so.
Yup, nailed it yet again.
Let's do it.
Okay, now what?
It's a mic. I know what to do with that.
Yeah, me too.
Wow.
What does this have to do with a mic?
I know. Watch.
Wait, what's happening?
Seriously?
Earplugs, anyone? Please stop. Me now.
My brain hurts.
Well,
Call it even?
if I have to,
Deal.
let's do it.
Yes!
We actually did it!
Look at the score! Uh-oh.
Looks like we're back. Oh, back already?
Gold and gorgeous!
Silver and stupendous! I'm so proud of you guys! Selfie! Gold forever! No silver! Uh-oh! Ow! Whoa! What? Huh? What just happened? You think I know? Ugh! Looking good. Unlike her. What are you looking at? Ah! What's going on? I'm too young to die! Wait. What? This isn't normal. I'm kind of freaking out here. What? Is somebody scared? Don't laugh at me. Which one says I'm fabulous? The dress? But look, sequins. Shh. I like sequins too, you know. Ha! So epic. Don't know what to wear? Definitely not this. But I'll fix that. It's as good as gold now. Just a few more embellishments. Haha! Oh yeah. Watch the zipper. Almost there. Look at this. Wow. This takes time, but it's so worth it. Just look at this thing! From boring dress to lavish gold wall art. Oh no! Her purse! Huh? What was that? Where did you get all that? Oh, you're so gonna pay for that! You're not the only clever girl in here. Just a thief? Me? A thief? No. Liar! Two can play this game.
Uh-huh, right away. Oh, wow! That was fast. And it's just what I need. But it's not quite ready yet. It's all about trusting the process. There! Pretty cool, right? Huh? Wow! Yeah, I'm just clever like that. Anyway, call it even? Fine. Never trust a silver snake. Okay. You took my favorite outfit. You're still mad? I'm sorry. As long as you really mean it. Friends. Friends.
Who could use a little magic in their lives? Ooh, you're welcome to the moon!
What was that? What's going on? Wow!
Wow, this place is sick! Awesome!
Yeah!
Ugh, always on her phone.
I love him. Miss you. Oh, what's this? A special delivery? From my sweetheart? I'm so… Ah! Jeez, that scared me. Startled by my own beauty. What's all this for? Weird. Oh! I have the best idea! First, we need some long sticks. Now use hot glue to stick them to the back of the mirror. Yep, you'll need lots. Enough to go all the way around. Now stick a mirror in the middle. Paint time! Everything's prettier in silver. Wow! Simply stunning. What do you think? Looks pretty good right here. Don't need this.
Ow! That hurt! Hey, wait! What about me? Ah! That was scary. It came with a glue gun? Cool! I know just how to use it. First, I need a big circle. See how I'm lining it with hot glue? Wow, look at those drips. Let's bring those things to life. That's what I'm talking about. Perfection! And it should fit the mirror perfectly. Ready? Ta-da! My golden treasure! And I have just the spot! Yay! I love it! And hers isn't bad either.
I love it here.
Ditto. Hello, world! It's so nice to see you all. Ah! Stupid heels! Did anybody see that? Hey!
Just a bout of bad luck.
Oh! I'm mortified!
Hello, fans. Did you miss me? Ooh, that's embarrassing.
Like you're any better than me.
I am.
Oh gosh! No way! This is epic!
Epic bad luck.
This is my worst nightmare come to life! Wait, it was just a dream. Oh, thank goodness. It's contest day? No wonder. Can you say anxiety? So we meet again.
Yep.
No one has a golden glow like mine, and I'm gonna shine tonight. With some help from my friends. Time to make it rain. Wow, it's fantastic. Nothing says elegance like gold flakes. Especially when it's in your makeup. Just look at this stuff. Time to sparkle it up. So pretty.
Anything fun I can use? I've gotta have something. I just have to capture it for myself. Glitter me. Oh yeah, that's just it.
Is there anything better?
I need something it can stick to.
Enter petroleum jelly. This stuff's perfect. Just put it onto your skin. And your glitter can sit right on top. See? It won't even fall off. I'm like a glittering goddess.
Wow! But I still need…
Oh! I know where I can put it.
This'll make my eyes sparkle even more! This look is pure fire! There's no such thing as too much. And to prove it, I'm putting it in my eyebrows. Hello, gorgeous. It's perfect. Wow, look at that. Okay. Wow, this is stunning.
I'm so gonna win.
But not with these dry lips. Ugh. Let's see what I have here. How old are these things? What? Okay, this shade is way better. But it needs a little something. Oh. I'll just buy it. What about this? Wow! Bingo! Give me some of that! It worked! Look at the stars! And on the black lipstick, it's like the gorgeous night sky. Right on my face. Amazing! And you? Huh? How'd you get those? Hold on. Ooh, give me that! Aw, man. Let me help. What? Hey! Desperate times call for desperate measures. Perfect. I only need this guy. The perfect pout is on the way. Metallic magic. That sheen. I need more. Glitter, do your thing. This stuff never lets you down. See how this pucker pops? Definitely. You ready to lose? Oh, please. At least you have confidence. No, just fashion sense. But I could use some shoes. I'm right there with ya. Ugh! What do we do? I don't have anything gold! Ugh! Nope! Why is this happening? No! Black pumps? Okay. White boots? I guess these can work. Wait, I got it! Golden jewels to the rescue! And some metallic spray paint. Nice! Now for the fun part. My jewels never let me down. Okay, feeling good. Looking good, too. No! She can't win this! My earrings, of course! You have your jewels, and I have mine. Ta-da! Shag perfection. Come on, squeeze! Phew. Okay, they're on. And you're doomed. We'll just see about that. Hi! Hello, everyone. Talk about gold and glowing. More like silver and sparkling. I feel fabulous. And look it, too. Okay, now for the moment of truth. Hello? Oh, a move. Huh? Who will win? A silver queen or a golden goddess? Well… Oh, I crown myself. Ah! My girls. No way! You can't do that! Well, I just did. Jeez, all that for nothing. Now what? I don't know. I'm sorry. Me too, me too. Feeling metallically inspired? Share this video with your friends and don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on the fun.